Yeah, welcome back. Now we are going to proceed to the second part. We have seen the first part of the radiogenic heat generation. We are moved to the second part. Then we open our OIS montage back. Then let's start with profile 1. Profile 1. So open is a bolt. All you need to do is to click on this mesh 1 potassium. Click, right click, you see show profile. You see them? Move this one up. Then click on thorium, show profile. Then click on this uranium, show profile. Now you come here, you right click, you see S scale options. Here you see you set it to X because the profile we are taking horizontally, so distance is along X. If it's vertically, it was Y, so it's along X. Remember it was horizontal, this way, this way, this way, this way. So we say X. Make sure you do that. Then from here, when you finish, you come here and write plot profile figure. They call it profile 1. Profile 1. Then you leave everything the way it is. Now this is what you have. Okay, which you can click on this. Then all this one can be edited later. Then select the second one. Then click on this, right click, show profile. Click, right click, show profile. Click, right click, show profile. Then click here, right click, X option. Sorry, right click, X option. Change it to X, then click OK. Then right click here, plot this to 2. Remember, we are in profile 2, then click OK. You can see this is what we have. Second. Then we have the third one. This show profile. Click right click, show profile. Click right click, show profile. Right click here, then X option, set X. Then click plot figure. This is 3, profile 3. Then this wall. Then the last one is profile 4 database. You do the same thing here. Click here, right click, show profile. Click right click, show profile. Click right click, show profile. Right click, X option to change it to X. Now right click, plot profile figure. Then this is 4. So this is what we have. So if you click on this to zoom in, now we need to edit. You see, right click here, toggle. Now this is the base. See, we select the base, then click on this, select the base, surround. See that is surround, then click on edit. This will allow you to select this one, press delete key. Click on this, delete key. Then click on this, move it up a bit. You can click 2 times, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 times, not fast. Then change this one to around, let's say 2.5. Then bold. This is what we have. And okay. Then this potassium profile, you see, you select it. This is where you have. Then you click on this potassium profile, see it here. Then click on edit. Then click on this. Change the profile. This is the profile. This is one you select. Then click edit button. Then click on this one two times. This potassium, you put K. Then you put percentage. So this is what you have. I think I'll leave everything. Then click OK. Then go to thorium profile. Click edit. This is thorium. Then click 2 times. Thorium, you put equivalent thorium, bracket ppm. Then this. Then go to UH profile. Click this edit button. This is where it is. 1 2 times equivalent uranium, then P part per million, then okay. Then this base legend, click on this legend and edit, and click on this 2 times. This is uranium, click on this 2 times 1 2 1 2 thorium, this, then click on this 2 times potassium. So this is what we have. Okay, so we have this save project, save. So we have the save. Then we'll do the same thing to the other one. Come to maps, profile 3, the same thing. You can click on this if you want to be fast. Click on this 2 times, then this one will be set to 2, then bold, okay, then move it up a bit. Then you can click on this, press delete key on the keyboard, press on this, click outside first, double click on this, that is uranium, click 2 times, 1 2, not fast, 1 2, that is thorium, then 1 2 1 2, then potassium, then this go to profile now, then edit 1 2, potassium is in percentage, then thorium, click on this, then this one 1 2 2, equivalent thorium, then you press part per million, then we have this, there is the uranium profile, it is this, click on this edit button, 1 2, equivalent uranium, part per million. So these are the values we have. So provide, save, so we have this. Then we go to the second one, let's can see it now, potassium, uranium, thorium, potassium. Then go to the second one. So click on this, properties, then 2.5 bold, okay, you can drag it up, bring it up, click outside, then click on this 1 2 times, then uranium, you have to click on it so that it shows a bounding box, then click on this 2 times, 1 2, then thorium, then click on this 1 2, potassium, type potassium, then press OK, and click outside 2 times, click on this till it's selected, click on this selected, you see a bounding box, then click delete, then click outside, then come for this potassium here to edit this one, then click edit, then click on this 2 times, 1 2, potassium concentration, thorium is profile, edit 1 2, the equivalent thorium, part per million, then profile, then edit 1 2, equivalent uranium, part per million. So I think this is what we have, then file, project, then save. And the last one is this. Click on this, on properties. This is 2. Gold. I think that's what we have. Click outside, then click on this 2 times. Press delete. You don't need this. Delete. Click outside 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. Uranium. Press enter. Thorium. Remember, thorium is green. Then potassium is red. Potassium is red. Then click outside 2 times. Then to edit this one, set this profile, click edit. Press this one 2 times. Then potassium, in bracket, the unit is percentage. Then thorium H profile, click edit. 1, 2. Equivalent thorium part per million. Then click on this, edit. 1, 2. Equivalent uranium part per million. So this is what we have. Now you can see all the maps are set. File, project, save. So we'll come next, we'll see. So this is the result you'll see here. What they do now is to get this P1, P2, these are the point on the map. You can see now all what we have, which we have edited, is similar to what we have before. We can export this one image. Okay, so this is where we'll stop for now.